When New York City public schools reopen this September, there will be no remote option. So what's being unveiled today are really plans and support networks for the more than 1 million New York City public school children to help them adapt to the new normal.
The focus now is on doing unprecedented things to close that COVID achievement gap, to get our kids in a strong place for their futures, to catch up for the time we lost and then surpass.
And with that, Mayor Bill de Blasio laid out what will likely be the final chapter of his time in office, the successful relaunch of the biggest school system in the country.
The bottom line is we're going to do something that's never been done in the history of New York City public schools.
Major goals of the plan include making sure all children achieve literacy by the 3rd grade, getting new inclusive learning material, and bringing in a new fleet of digital devices. There will also be big investments in career and college prep, along with special education. Schools Chancellor MEISHA Porter stressed that all of that would be for naught if children don't get the mental health support they need during this crucial year.
So we will make sure every child has the supports they need, from social workers to social emotional screenings. We are pulling out all the stops.
The teachers union also appears to be on board.
We can do this. We're up for this challenge. We know that there's a lot to do here, but this is what we signed on for, and it's about the children of that city, and it's about our school system.
Most of these new initiatives will be paid for with New York's share of education stimulus dollars. CARLINA RIVERA is among the leading contenders to be the next speaker of a city council that will likely be majority women. Oversight, she says, will be crucial.
So it's good to see kind of what the path is towards a more equitable education system in our schools and in our city, but we certainly want to make sure that it's spent wisely, responsibly, and of course in conjunction with leaders.
Of course, halfway through this coming school year, there will be a new mayor. Democratic nominee Eric Adams, for example, has said that he's more open to remote learning, and he wants to emphasize dyslexia screening. So we'll see how that jives with all of this new planning. In the East Village, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.